I spent 30 minutes to crack and shell 2 Dungeness crab to have fresh crab meat for my crab sushi bake, and it was so worth it. So here's all the crab meat that I peeled and shelled. Adding some green onions, avocado mayo, about 2 ounces of cream cheese, salt and pepper, garlic powder. Just gonna mix all of this together. This is short grain sushi rice and I'm pouring in rice vinegar, a little sesame oil, Fruikake. Mix it in real good. Flatten the rice, press it down. This is so much crab. Oops. Spread it around. Look at that thick coat of crab meat. This is gonna be just bake in the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. Babe, come try this.